Hey guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. I thought I should sit down and answer your questions. We could chat a little bit because I know I uploaded that initial like I'm back video, here's where I've been, but I feel like you guys had some questions. Got my essential oil diffuser going in the background, so we've got all the good vibes. I'm coming at you guys with 2 videos this week, so get excited. You have this video and then there will be a cooking video up on Friday. So I asked you guys on my Instagram to send me some questions for this video. If you aren't already following me on Instagram, there's a link down below, or I'm just at Maddi Bragg. Aaron asked, how is your new apartment? It is great. I'm finally feeling like I'm a little more settled in. My room is mostly done. I mean, I need a rug and maybe some shelves, but for the most part, it's like very livable. I'm fully unpacked and moved in, and I'm like trying to get into a routine. Lindsay finally moved in and she's been here a couple days now, and it's been so great. And we're just like figuring out the living room, dining room, how we want to decorate and like hang shelves and all of that. So it's been really fun, and I just love this apartment so much. I love the space, I love the location, and it's just like good energy here. Naomi asked, what is the biggest change you've made since Corona? Oh my, I mean, I have experienced a lot of change recently with moving and just so many other things. I feel like personally the biggest change I've made is trying to speak to my family more often, just like trying to call my grandma every day, talk to my sister every day, just like be more involved with my family, even if it is just over the phone, because you know, everybody is alone and nobody can really see each other right now. So it's been very important for me to call my family every day. What do you think about age gaps in couples? I mean like a 20 years difference. Love you, by the way. Love you. I think as long as it's legal, meaning like you're above the age of 18, then whatever, who cares? Like if this person makes you happy and it's who you want to spend your time with and it's an equal partnership, like you are both equally, you know, in love or into each other or whatever, then who cares, right? I don't know. I mean, life is too short not to do what you want. So if you love somebody, go for it. Maya asked, what is your advice for somebody who is unhealthily addicted to social media? I mean, I think it's really hard, and I think that this is something that's pretty common for a lot of people, especially younger people. I definitely check Instagram a lot, probably more than I would like to, but I think it's just all about finding a healthy balance. You know, try to limit your screen time to certain hours of the day. You know when I wake up, say at 9 a.m., I'm not gonna pick up my phone until 10. You know, I'm gonna give myself that hour to shower, get ready, eat breakfast, journal, you know, do whatever you want to do, and then tell yourself, oh, at, I don't know what time you go to bed, 9, 10 p.m., I'm gonna put my phone away and I'm gonna spend 30 minutes to an hour reading a book, drinking some tea, you know, doing something other than scrolling on your phone. I also think it's important to filter your social media, meaning like if there's something or somebody that you follow online that is very triggering for you, or that puts you in a bad mood or makes you feel bad about yourself, remove them from your social media. So try to, you know, filter what you're seeing every day online. Try to follow people who are very positive and uplifting and encouraging online, because that's gonna make a huge difference. Try to just do things that don't require you to be on your phone. You know, go on a hike, go outside, go for a walk, and leave your phone at home, or leave your phone in the car, or put your phone in your backpack. Do you see yourself living in LA still in 10 years? I know I just signed a lease, so I'm definitely gonna be here for at least the next year, but this week I've been having thoughts like, I feel like I need to travel the world. Like I feel like I need to put all my shit in a storage unit and like go travel for like 6 months or maybe longer than that. Just because like I feel like I want to experience different cultures and meet different people, and I would like to live somewhere else at some point in my life. I feel like living in California for my entire life would be, I mean, not a waste, it's so beautiful here, but I just feel like I need to experience something else in this lifetime. that is not living in California, even though it's great. I just think I need more. What is the best lesson you've learned maturing / growing out of your teen years? Ooh, I'm 21. I don't want to sit here and act like, oh, I'm older and I have it all figured out, because I do not. I don't even think people who are older have it all figured out. But I do think I have learned quite a bit from when I was a teen. I think the most important thing that I've learned is to just live your life however you want to live it. Don't worry about what other people are telling you that you should be doing, or doing something to fit into society norms. That is just such bullshit. If you want to do something, if you want to move away for college, if you want to study abroad, if you want to drop out of college, if you want to, I don't know, move in with a boyfriend or quit your job and pursue your passion, do whatever you want to do, because we only have this one life to live, and you don't want to look back and regret that you didn't take a chance because you were scared. What is the best and worst thing about getting older? I think the worst thing is probably just having like adult responsibilities, meaning like you have to pay your taxes and you have to worry about paying all of your bills and your car insurance and your health insurance, and just like those classic adult responsibilities are annoying. Personally, I am excited to get older. I'm not scared of aging or growing up, and I feel like there's gonna be you know, some older people watching this being like, oh, you say that now, you're 21, like you're so young. Of course you want to grow up and you're not scared to get older, like just wait until you're 30. But like, I think aging is so exciting. It just means that you are given more time on earth to continue to live your life, and as you get older you learn so much and you get to have so many experiences as you get older. Right now, like, I'm excited to be 30. I'm excited to be 40. I feel like there's so much that life has to offer me, and the only way that I'm going to experience that is by getting older, and I think it's beautiful. What is a bad habit that you want to break? Oh my god, guys, okay. I'm asking you for your help. If any of you are former nail biters and have cut your habit, please let me know down below how you stop biting your nails, because I cannot stop. It is so bad. Like, unless I have fake nails on, I'm so embarrassed by it. I hate the way my hands look. I've tried so many times to stop biting my nails. Hi Maddie, I wanted to know what helps with your anxiety, whether it be cooking, exercise, etc. The number one thing I do when I'm feeling super anxious is check in with myself. So stop whatever I'm doing, put down my phone, whatever I'm in the middle of, just stop, close my eyes, take a breath, and think to myself, did I eat today? Did I drink enough water today? Did I have vegetables today? There's such a mind-body connection, and obviously whatever you're putting or not putting in your body is going to affect your mind. So a lot of the time when I'm feeling anxious, I realize, oh, I haven't eaten today, or oh, I've barely had enough water. Taking a step back and acknowledging that, and then taking the time to go and drink a glass of water or make yourself something to eat. It's definitely a form of self-care, and it's a way to slow down and check in with yourself. Yeah, exercising definitely helps, or just going outside and going for a walk, getting out of whatever space that you were in when you were feeling super anxious, just removing yourself from the situation and going outside, getting fresh air, or even like calling somebody on the phone, someone that you love to talk to, a family member or a friend. What has your life been like off of YouTube? Have you traveled anywhere, dated, etc.? Since I had been gone for about 2 years, obviously a lot happened. I was in a relationship for about 1.5 years, and we lived together. And obviously that is not the case anymore. It's quite obvious that we are not dating anymore, so that's that. And we're just gonna keep on living our lives. I went to Hawaii and I went to Chicago, which were both great and very fun trips. I spent my 21st birthday in a tiny home in Big Bear. That was really cool. I worked a lot, like a lot. That was what I honestly spent the majority of the 2 years doing, is working. That was an experience. Did a few really cool catering events. I don't know, I'm like honestly thinking about the last 2 years, I feel like all I did was work. What is the first thing that you want to do when Corona is gone? I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is probably eat at a restaurant. I mean, I could eat at a restaurant now because some of them are open, but there's no way that I'm gonna do that. And I get, you know, wanting to support the staff and the restaurant itself, but I just know that these employees are probably not getting insurance from their jobs, and it's likely that a lot of them aren't insured at all and they're being put at risk of getting sick. And if they get sick and they're not covered, then they're, I don't know, that just doesn't sit right with me. So I will not be eating at a restaurant until things are safe again, which who knows when that will be. Or just like going to a bar or going somewhere with my friends. I'm also very excited to put on a cute outfit, but I feel like that goes hand in hand with going like to dinner or going dancing or like going out to do something. I want to wear heels and like a little dress. Like when I was unpacking my closet when I moved, I was like, damn, I have so many cute clothes and like I need somebody to see me in this outfit. I have a question for you guys. Someone asked me if I would ever consider going brunette, and I have been thinking about it for the last few months. So my question for you is, do you think I should do it? Brown hair is the only color that I haven't had. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I've had like literally every hair color except for brown. Let me know down below what you think. I also kind of want to get bangs. I just want to like randomly look like a new person because I feel like that's fun. So let me know your thoughts, but I've definitely been thinking about it. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down below and I will try to get back to you with an answer. I think that is all for this video. Like I said before, I will be seeing you Friday with a cooking video. I'm gonna be uploading twice a week now. One vlog, lifestyle, chatty, hangout, whatever I want video, and one food video. So that'll be very fun. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day whenever you are watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.